CPD, open up. We need to ask you a couple questions.
Can I help you?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions.
I'm sorry?
CPD, we need to ask you a couple questions. May you please step to the front door, please?
CPD.
Yes, this is CPD. We would like you to step to the door, please.
Can I see a badge?
We would like you to step to the door, please, sir. I don't have to show you my badge, sir. CPD, open the door.
A disturbing incident unfolded late at night in Colorado, where two teenage boys allegedly attempted to impersonate the Colorado Police Department. The suspects knocked on a homeowner's door, claiming to be officers, possibly intending to gain entry. However, the homeowner, monitoring through a security camera, challenged them over the speaker system and asked for identification. When the teens failed to produce badges, their story quickly unraveled. The homeowner immediately contacted real police, prompting the suspects to flee the scene. Authorities were notified, but the individuals have not been located since. A frightening incident occurred when an intoxicated man approached a woman's home and began aggressively banging on her door, using his body in an apparent attempt to force entry. The woman, fearing for her safety, immediately called police. Officers responded to the scene and detained the suspect, who showed clear signs of intoxication. He was taken for medical evaluation and later arrested. Authorities have not released further details as the investigation continues.
Hi there, can you open this door, please?
For what?
I just want to make sure that everything's okay. There seems to be something going on.
What do you mean?
I don't know, I just figured I'd check on something.
I don't know what you want, man. Get out of my house.
Open this fucking door! Where's your daughter, man? Where's your daughter, man?
What are you talking about?
Where's your daughter? Who's in there with you?
Bro, if you don't
open this fucking door. Open this door, I'm breaking it fucking down. You understand me?
Leave my house. You don't...
Are you okay? Is everyone in this house okay?
What? Everyone's okay. What do you want? Can you leave my house, please?
You open the door, please.
You have nothing to do with my house. Can you leave my house?
You know what my name is?
I don't know who you are. You don't belong to this neighborhood. That's for sure.
This is my neighborhood, though.
Yeah, I live there. I don't know you.
My name is Harry Dresden, motherfucker. Open the door. This is my neighborhood. Open the fucking door. Now, or I will fucking end you. Do you understand me?
A woman reported a disturbing situation after a man was seen lingering directly outside her apartment door for several days, appearing to watch her and even attempting to unlock the door. Fearing for her safety, she documented the incidents and shared them on Twitter. Shortly after the post gained attention, building security began patrolling the area. Following that increased presence, the man was no longer seen, and the situation appears to have been resolved. A couple returning home in Florida were shocked after reviewing their security footage. While they were away, an unknown man was seen outside their home engaging in disturbing behavior. After reporting it, police identified the suspect, who reportedly had a prior misdemeanor record. Using the footage, authorities were able to locate and contact him following his recent release. Residents in a local housing complex were left unsettled after security footage captured an unidentified individual moving from door to door late at night. The person, seen holding a knife in their mouth, appeared to be checking under doormats at multiple homes, possibly searching for spare keys.